Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing this Greddy front lip on the Honda Prelude. It is a Greddy front lip. It comes with all the tools that you will need, all the hardware that you need to install it, some screws and a couple of brackets. It also shows you the instructions on how to install it. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. We're going to get started by sanding this down. So we're gonna sand it down and everything. We're gonna install it and then we're gonna paint it. I'm using 600 grit paper, sandpaper to start off. Alright guys, so I'm going to explain to you how you would mount this using the hardware that Greddy provides. So you have these brackets here that you're going to use to basically bolt or hold the front lip to the front bumper. Then they're going to provide a nut and a screw, which I also have a bag of them here. So this is what the nut looks like, and then the screw will be this big one, because they also provide a small one, which is what you're gonna use to clip onto the bumper. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like now, and it's basically going to be like this, and then you're gonna screw with this screw, bolt the front lip to the bumper itself. Alright, so this is basically what that clip looks like. When you put it on the bumper, you can see you can basically slide it off and then slide it back on. It holds well onto the bumper, and then that screw is going to further sandwich that metal piece that it comes in the hardware set, and then that way you'll be able to secure the front lip to the front bumper. Alright guys, so I just wanted to explain and show you guys that there are actually 4 support brackets that come in the kit. So you can see one all the way over there. That's 1, 2, and 3 right here. You saw me tighten these 2, but there are also 2 on the other side, and there's also a screw all the way on the side of the lip, which is right here. This is the screw. So that's what helps it also stay on the bumper. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you how the Greddy front lip looks like installed on the car and painted. As you can see, it looks pretty good, at least in my opinion. There is a difference in the shades of blue, because obviously this is fresh paint and the other is the original paint on the car, but it did come out looking pretty good. So just wanted to show you guys what that looked like. And again, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment or leave any questions in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.